Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the device is signed into the same account and has network access. This is mandatory. Next, open settings and make sure location and high accuracy are enabled so GPS can report precise coordinates. Once done, launch Find My Device or the platform equivalent and sign in. Use the account tied to the device. Make note of the device name, last seen timestamp, and battery percentage. These details guide your next actions and set expectations for recovery. You now focus on tracking and interacting. On the map, zoom and pan to confirm the last known position, and switch to satellite if you need landmarks for navigation. If the device is online, choose Ring to help locate it nearby, or lock with a recovery message and phone number so someone who finds it can contact you. If sensitive data is at risk and recovery seems unlikely, consider erase. But remember that erasing disables further location updates, so weigh that consequence carefully. To finish, you attempt recovery. Visit the mapped area when safe or contact local authorities if the situation feels risky. Make sure to change passwords, revoke active sessions, and alert your carrier to suspend service for theft prevention. If Find My Device shows offline or wrong location, check that the device has power, network access, and location services enabled. Also verify you're signed into the correct account. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or try another device to confirm account visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.